It's almost 5:52. We are waking up on the cool side, but it's definitely not as frigid as where we were yesterday morning, with temperatures starting out in the 20s and low 30s. But we quickly had that increase. By the afternoon, we were in the 60s, and we're going to see something very similar today. We're starting out cool, but we're going to be flirting with 70 degrees by the afternoon. All of that ahead of some major changes. 42 degrees outside of our Millionaire Sky Cam. Winds are out of our south at 5, so it does feel just a little bit cooler. 39 is what it feels like. But we do have some 30s out there over in Short Pump. 35 to start off the morning. 40 in Mechanicsville, 39 right now in Chester. One of our colder spots, the Tri-City. You're coming in 34 to start off the morning, 43 in Louisa, 48 right now in West Point. Today's winds will be out of our south, slightly breezy, 5 to 15 miles per hour, nothing out of the ordinary. But as our system approaches tomorrow, winds are going to shift out of our north. So not only is it going to be frigid, you're also going to have some gusty winds associated with Tuesday, making it feel even colder. Plus, we've got rain that most likely will begin to push into some wintry mix as well as snow. So it's wet and cold for our Tuesday. It's going to be a good crock pot day, to say the least. For today, we are going to warm up quite nicely. By lunchtime, we'll already be in the low 60s. After lunch, upper 60s. Then this evening rolls in. We're going to see mostly clear skies. So, of course, temperatures will drop into the 50s. That's ahead of our cold front. Your high will be 55. Tomorrow around 6 a.m., we'll begin to see some light rain making its way. And notice your temperatures still well above freezing. Then we're going to get that Arctic blast moving in, dropping numbers into the 30s. You don't necessarily have to be at 32 degrees for things to start to freeze. In fact, they start to freeze a little bit sooner. That's why we've got some of that wintry mix taking place. The time frame of this looks to be around lunchtime. You'll notice Northern Neck, Middle Peninsula, you still got that rain because you're a little bit warmer. And then, of course, that Arctic blast just consumes the entire Commonwealth, continuing to drop those temperatures into the 30s. We will most likely see some wet snow. As far as seeing a snowman, having a snow angel, that's just really not in the cards for us. Our ground temperature is coming in at 36 degrees. So whatever does fall will melt, with the exception of elevated surfaces. So you could see a little bit of that out on your grass. Temperatures on Wednesday are back in the 20s to start off the morning, and we're not getting out of the 30s all day. It's going to be definitely frigid. We're back in the 20s for Thursday morning. By Thursday afternoon, we double, getting all the way up to 50. We stay in the 50s going into the weekend, but please remember those lows, they're still going to be incredibly cold. Rob, Reba.